right. Here we go, guys. 3, 2, 1. Eat. All right. Anthony M. Frankie G. Jeremy. Wow. Tom, AT&T. You've got a little science going there. Check these guys out. Come on, guys. Let's give these guys a little bit of motivation here. Whoa, look at Anthony going, baby.
Come on, make tough like Rob. 30 seconds in, Tom. Good pace.
You got a good. This guy's got a clock on him. Are you kidding me? Look at the way this is going down, folks. Look at the way this is going down. Frankie G, you are an animal. Yeah, we got that hot dog contest in New York is nothing. They had to come down here and try a real contest. What do you guys think? Look at Jeremy Rawls. You are getting this done, buddy. Hey, judges, what's it look like? Who's got the lead? Oh, we got Tom and we got Anthony kind of leading here. Wow, look at you guys. Frankie G, you are an absolute beast. Come on, guys. Let's hear it for these guys right here. Come on, they need some help. Come on now. Here we go, here we go. We didn't even finish this contest yesterday. We're planning next year's contest. Here we go. Oh, Anthony, Frankie, you guys are like neck and neck here. Come on. Jeremy. Woo! Tom's got a pace here from AT&T. He's got his true 4 minutes. These guys got him figured out to a science here. I'm impressed. Look at these guys. These guys are serious.
Good pace, Tom.
Anthony M. Anthony M. Anthony M. Anthony M. There's the first place man, Anthony M. He is taking it down. Come on, we need second place. Let's go. Anthony M. Are you kidding me? Anthony M. with first place from T-Mobile. Wow, I am totally impressed. You phone guys really you're hungry. We have number 2, Tom from AT&T. Give it up for Tom at AT&T. Frankie G, number 3. Frankie G, number 3. Come on, Josh. Come on, Jay. Come on, Chris.
Way to go, Tom. Excuse me.
Wow. This is incredible, folks. Look at Jay. Jay, come on, buddy. You're almost there, bro. Come on, Josh. Let's give these guys some motivation. They want to finish this up. Let's go. Wow. Okay, come on, Josh. You're almost there, buddy. Josh, you are getting it done. Here he is, our number 4 winner, Josh from Team Starbucks. All right, you got between Jerry and Chris C. Who's going to finish 5th and who's going to finish 6th? Come on, Jay, you can do it, buddy.
That's pretty impressive. That's a minute.
That's impressive, guys.
That's better than your face.
I want to see this on Facebook. I really do. I want to see who's out there. You're all going to be on Facebook, I assure you. He's telling Jeremy not to eat that last Cinnabon. Come on now. Come on, Chris C. That's good strategy, though, bro. Good strategy. Jay, you getting it down? Jay, you're almost there, bro. Jerry, only one more bite, buddy, and you're in the top 5. Maybe 2. I was wrong on the first one. Come on, Jay. You can do it, buddy. Judges, what does Jay do? It's got to swallow it.
Got to down it.
All right, we got our last 5th place winner, Jerry Rouse from Team Marquee Cinema.